push record. Okay, I'm ready.
All right, here we go. First, you want to go to Facebook. .com. Come over here to live and click on live. You want to copy the stream key. Now we're going to start OBS.
What we got though?
I want to do that. We're doing it's because that's what you got. That's what you got recording. That makes it look just like before.
Oh.
See that? That's just because you're recording that screen.
Oh, okay.
All right. Okay, you want to go to settings, stream. You want to get rid of this key, delete it, and then paste the key you just copied, and then apply, and OK. Now we want to click Start Streaming, and we minimize this and go back to Facebook. All right, here's your video. And see, there it is. Go live. Now, why wasn't it there before?
I don't know. Could probably hit shut it down and start it over.
Click on Go Live. You're now streaming.
Yep. Okay. So I got it all on the computer now. So
When you're done, click End Live Video. Alright, we're going to delete this video, but you don't want to do it tomorrow.
no.
We're going to do it tonight because it's
Yeah.
going to delete it. Okay, then we'll close Facebook. Go back to OBS Studio. Stop streaming. And exit.
Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Good. I'll just take it.